Potter. Today I'm going to tell you something about pharaohs and crowns. Ancient Egypt was a very organized civilization. That kind of civilization needs a king. They didn't have presidents to rule the land. They had kings called pharaohs. Ancient Egyptians thought that the pharaohs are living gods. A pharaoh had all of the power in Egypt. In other words, what they said went. King Tutankhamun, or King Tut, was nicknamed Boy King. He was nicknamed like that because he became king just 9 years old. He wasn't a very long-living king because he died around 18 or 19 years old. But he was famous about his tomb. In his tomb was many jewelry, and it was his sarcophagus. This is how we think he looked like. The computers found the mummy, and that's what we think he looked. My sister thinks he's very handsome, but my best friend thinks he looks like an egg.
The most popular material in ancient Egypt was linen. Ancient Egyptians used it to make clothes. Men wore kilts that were short, wrap-around skirts. Women wore dresses. Kids didn't wear anything. And sometimes men and women wore tunics that were long t-shirts. Ancient Egyptians wore makeup. It was black and all around their eyes. Amulets were jewelry that gave luck. For example, if you have a fish-shaped amulet, that means that you will be safe from drowning. Or if you have a lion, that means that you will be strong as a lion. This is a symbol of hope that meant everlasting life.
Ancient Egyptians mummified people because they believed Pharaoh needed his body in the afterlife. Now I will explain the process of mummification. First, the body was washed. Then, all of the organs except heart was removed and put in the special jars, were called canopic jars. Canopic jars were special jars with the head of the gods. This is the canopic jars, who protected the organ. The Great Sphinx. The Great Sphinx is a lion with the head of the man. That is how we think she looks like, but it looks like that. We think she had nose, but now she doesn't. We're going to talk about ancient crowns. Villas were houses where lived rich people, and they weren't in city, they were in country. An atrium is like open hall where were pools for decoration. People went to meet friends and to get food. They used wet sponges and olive oil to wash. The city, Pompeii, was a beautiful city where was the volcano that exploded, and after time they cleaned everything. Wore tunics and togas. That is togas. Tunics were long t-shirts, and togas wore a robe. They wore pink rouge, white powder, and eyeshadow. The white powder is the poisonous, and they didn't know that. Beards. This is an Emperor Hadrian, and he grew a beard because he got a scar, and he wanted to hide. Everyone wanted to have a beard. Romans ate oxen, chicken, and geese. They grew peach, onion, and more vegetables. It's similar like today. The famous food is called garum. Garum was a sauce made with the fish intestines. Garum was really smelly because it was left out for many weeks. It had a very strong taste. Dinner for rich people. They lay and ate. Then they went to throw up and come back to eat more. Trajan's Market was the first shopping mall. Today we have a Maxi, Aichi, Idea, and this is just similar like today.
We are going to talk about the ancient Greeks. Okay, Greeks were good at science. They thought the earth was a sphere, and they thought the sun is a ball of fire. And today we know this is true. Hippocrates. Hippocrates was a doctor. He asked his patients a lot of questions, like doctors today. Hippocrates is the father of medicine.
This is the necklace of amulets, found on 3rd October 1721.
This is a garum dish, found in a kitchen in a Roman's house. Sometimes they throw up and this object.
Look, here's another example. Oh, how lovely!
This is a vase, and some people like to drink water from
Or throw up.
throw up.
This is King Midas' knife, found in Athens.